Therapist Learning Center, Training 101, How to Use Kinnser. What is Kinnser? Kinnser is a web-based medical software that ranges from staffing coordination, quality assurance, as well as billing and invoicing. To be able to use all the full functionality of the system, Kinnser recommends us to use Internet Explorer browser. Refer below for better browser and operating system compatibility. Please refer to the link below for further reading. You may call your Kinnser support too. To get started, let us log into Kinnser. Enter the Kinnser login URL into your internet browser's address bar. Enter your username, then your password. As a first-time user, enter your temporary password. And once logged in, the system will ask you to create your new password. Then press Submit. Now we're ready to dive into the Kinnser system. Kinnser has 4 main tabs for the therapist role. These are Go To, File, View, and Help. Under the Go To drop-down, therapists have access to Hotbox, Inbox, My Patients, and Profile. The first link on the Go To tab is Hotbox. This is the page that you can access your patient's weekly schedule. This is the page where you will document your patient's visits. To write a missed visit, click the yellow house picture on the right side of the corresponding patient schedule that you are planning to write a missed visit note. This is a snapshot of the Hotbox. The second link on the Go To tab drop-down is Inbox. Here you can access all your messages from TheraMax Kinnser users, which include the therapist and back office support. The next link is My Patients. As the name says, you will see the patients assigned to you. You can access your patient's chart through here. Profile allows you to add or edit your profile and create your electronic signature. Let us take a look at the profile page. And as you can see here, the red arrow is pointing to the box where you can create your electronic signature. The next main tab is File. The main tab File has 2 main links, the Messages and Communication. Messages. This is where you can create a K-mail, which is where the recipient can access their inbox. As long as you tag the patient's name under the Regarding Patient drop-down, you can access your message on the Tag Patient chart. Communication. This is where you can create a communication letter in relation to patient care. The written communication is part of the patient's official chart that will be submitted to the home health agencies and MD offices if necessary. Communication notes are used for the documentation of the following reasons: missed visit, cancellation of the visit due to inclement weather, patient had MD appointment, or if patient or parent requested to defer the therapy. Schedule difficulties or scheduling compliance. Therapist requested to be out of town or on leave. Now this is a sample of the completed communication note. It is considered completed since the lower left corner of the note already has an electronic signature. The last main tab is Help. The Help tab is a resource link for new Kinnser users. Let us assume you went to the Go To tab, then opened the sublink My Patients, then left-clicked the patient name Doe, AA Jane D, or in other words, you've decided to open the chart of Doe, AA Jane D. This slide shows the picture of the chart of Miss Doe. There are different links that you can open on the patient's chart. I'll be introducing to you the most important ones. Episode tab. This is used to navigate the different episodes of the patient. COM. This is a shortcut for communication. On this link, you will find all the lists of the communications written. MISC. A shortcut of the word miscellaneous. Here, you can access all the submitted visit signature sheets and external communications documents. To download the attached form under MISC tab, click the picture on the left side of the assigned person. How to access the patient information. While you are at the patient chart, just point the mouse on the patient name and left-click. Thank you for taking your time to learn Kinnser. If you have any questions, feel free to call your assigned trainer. And we encourage you to navigate Kinnser using the training account. Login information can be found in the orientation packet.